Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is based on a set of nails that I created a few weeks ago. The last week's video was based on the colour red. This week's video is based on the colour blue and a little bit of orange. So so I'll show you how I created these nails, doing a little bit of 3D nail art and a little bit of chrome and stuff like that. I will leave links, obviously, as always, to all the items that I used in this video for you all to check out. They'll all be from Miss You Beauty. I also have a discount code, as always, which will be somewhere Beautified 10 for you all to check out on the website. And don't forget, I also do have a beauty channel where I do unboxing videos and different beauty hauls and things like that, so don't forget to check that out. I will leave a link to that somewhere as well for you all to check out. So I shall get started. So this is the design that I created on my nails for this video, guys. So the first one is my thumb, and using Candy Shop 01 I apply 2 coats of this to my nail. I have already done an infill on my nails using the Brush Up Builder Gel. If you do want to see a video on how I do that, then I will leave a link somewhere on the screen for you to check that out. So I apply 2 coats. Each coat I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a diamond glitter gel, Alexandrite. I chose this because it's got little pieces of blue tinsel in it. I absolutely love it, but it's mainly like a purple colour. It's really cute. So just using my gel brush, I just apply that to the top of the nail, the cuticle area, and I drag it down in an ombre effect, and then I cure it for 30 seconds, and then I just apply some non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. So here is my forefinger. So I just used the Miss You Beauty gel strengthener, because on this one I'm doing a version of dip method. So we've got Electric Sunset and Skylight acrylic powders. So as I said, I'm doing a version of dip method, although I'm not dipping my nail in the powders. I'm just sort of getting it on a brush and sprinkling it onto my nail, because what I wanted to create was an ombre effect. I think that is probably my most favourite design on my nails. I love it to bits. So then I go in with Skylight, and as you can see, it was a pain in the backside to sprinkle on the nail. It wasn't having any of it. I got there in the end though. I forced it. So so I managed to cover all of the nail with that acrylic powder, and I sprinkled a bit on the orange, but you couldn't tell. So once I cured that in my LED lamp, I went in again with another coat of gel strengthener, which I cured in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I applied a top coat. So with my 3D brush, acrylic brush, I went in and I created some 3D flowers. Oh no, a 3D flower with the brush. Sorry. So yeah, I just created a 3D flower with the acrylic powders that I had used in order to cover my nail. So I just do the petals in Electric Sunset, and the centre of the flower I do in the blue. And then, because I wanted to add a little bit more of an effect to this nail, I went in and placed one of my little crystals in the centre of it. Cute. So then I went in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and just went over the top of the nail. I know some people don't like to cover the flower, but I do. And then I cured that for 60 seconds in my LED light, and then applied cuticle oil. So here is my middle finger. So again, with Candy Shop 01, I apply 2 coats of this, which I then cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I have to say, I really do love this colour. Like I said, it's one of their new ones. I think I said that. I don't know whether I did. But anyway, it's a fairly new one on the website, and I really, really like it. I bought it when I went to the Scottish Hair and Beauty show. I spotted it there and I was like, I need to have this colour. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. So yeah, and then with Neon 05, I went in with my dotting tool. I hadn't actually cured the second coat of the gel polish. As you can see, I'm working on wet gel to try and create some kind of a flower effect. So I go in, I place the dot of gel polish on there, and then I go in with a fine detail brush and try and create a flower effect. And then I go over it with non-wipe UV gel top coat. And then cuticle oil. Cute. Love it. So then on my ring finger again, I go in with Candy Shop and apply 2 coats of this. And I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, because as you probably have already seen, I'm going in with the chrome powder. So I'm just applying the top coat here, which I cure in my LED lamp for about 40 to 50 seconds. And we've got Electric Storm chrome powder. It is absolutely amazing. So with the applicator, I just apply that to my nail, rub it in nicely, and then I go over that again with another coat of non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. How beautiful is that chrome? Is that not amazing or what? I love it. Cute. So then we go in with a sugar coating gel polish on the little finger, and to be honest, I'd worked so hard on coming up with a design for the rest of my nails. This was all I could think of doing at this moment in time on this nail. So there you go. Which I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you did, please give me a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Again, like I said, don't forget my beauty channel that I have up, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.